raster and vector. Some common difference in raster image and vector image. What is a raster image? Raster images, also known as bitmaps, are comprised of individual pixels of color. Each color pixel contributes to the overall image. What is a vector image? Unlike raster graphics, which are comprised of colored pixels arranged to display an image, vector graphics are made up of paths, each with a mathematical formula, vector, that tells the path how it is shaped and what color it is bordered with or filled by. Common raster file types: PNG, JPG, JPEG, GIF, TIFF, PSD. Common vector file types: EPS, PDF, SVG, Sketch. Popular raster-based image editors is Adobe Photoshop. Popular vector-based image editors is Adobe Illustrator. Sketch. Table of raster and vector difference. Raster, comprised of pixels arranged to form an image, constrained by resolution and dimensions, capable of rich, complex color blends, large file sizes, but can be compressed. File types include JPG, GIF, PNG, TIFF, BMP, PSD, plus, EPS and PDF when created by raster programs. Raster software includes Photoshop and GIMP. Perfect for painting. Capable of detailed editing. Vector, comprised of paths dictated by mathematical formulas. Infinitely scalable. Difficult to blend colors without rasterizing. Small file sizes. File types include CDR, SVG, plus, EPS and PDF when created by vector programs. Vector software includes Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Inkscape. Perfect for drawing. Less detailed, but offers precise paths. Thanks.